Hello data lovers, I hope you all are doing really well. So in the last video, we talked about the AWS certification path for the big data related job profiles. And after that, your demand was I should bring that kind of video for Azure certification as well for big data job profiles. So here is your video. So the importance of these cloud certifications we already discussed in the last video. So after AWS, Microsoft Azure is the only cloud platform which is really popular in the market. And that is the reason most of companies have started migrating their projects on Azure cloud. And just like AWS, Microsoft Azure also provides really cool and powerful services for the data analytics, big data and data engineering. If you want your profile to stand out in the crowd and you want to increase your chances to crack the interviews, then these Microsoft Azure certifications definitely going to help you in this journey. And especially in service-based and consulting companies, I have seen a surge increase of the Azure data engineering job opportunities. So this would be a really great chance for you as well. Microsoft Azure provides a wide range of certification, but most of people get confused about the proper sequencing of it. So if you're focused for big data on Azure cloud platform, then the sequence of certifications which I will be telling you in next couple of minutes, it will definitely help you to build your foundation and advance your skills in Azure cloud platform. So let's break down all these certifications one by one. First is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. Code is AZ900. So this is the entry-level certification to gain basic understanding of cloud concepts and Azure services. This certification is not dedicated to big data, but it will definitely help you to complete your groundwork for advanced Azure certifications, especially for the big data. So your next question would be how we can get the preparation material for these certification exams and how we can prepare for it. So do not worry about it. Microsoft is there to help you out. So if you check out the official link which I have given in the description, there you will find all the preparation material like self-paced trainings and instructor-led trainings, which will definitely help you to prepare really well, and free practice assessment are also available there to validate your learning. Second is Microsoft Certified Azure Data Fundamentals. Code is DP900. This certification provides the foundational knowledge of core data concepts and how they are implemented using Azure data services. It's a perfect stepping stone for professionals beginning their career in big data on Azure. Third is Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer Associate. Code is DP203. Once you have a solid foundation, move on to this associate level certification. It covers designing, implementing, monitoring and optimizing data solutions on Azure cloud platform. As an Azure data engineer, you will work on big data technologies such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse Analytics and Azure Databricks. Fourth is Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. Code is AI102. If you are interested in incorporating AI and machine learning in your big data solution, then you can consider this certification, and that is why this is actually optional if you are following this sequence. This certification demonstrates your ability to design, implement and monitor AI solutions on Azure using cognitive services, knowledge mining and machine learning. Fifth and the last one, Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect Expert. Code is AZ305. As you grow in your career, you may want to demonstrate your expertise in designing and implementing Azure solutions, including big data infrastructure. This expert level certification covers advanced level topics like storage, compute, networking and security, which will definitely help you as an architect to build scalable solutions. So this is the exact sequence of Microsoft Azure certifications you should follow if you are really interested in big data related job profiles. And just a small disclaimer, do not restrict your learnings around these Azure certification and whatever will be covered in those certifications, because every now and then technology is changing and Azure will also keep on introducing new Azure services for the big data. So keep yourself up to date and also practically implement those Azure services. So if you find this Microsoft Azure certification sequence really helpful and you are really keen to become an Azure data engineer, do like this video in the really big numbers so that this video can reach to maximum number of people in the data community, and let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section for the next certification video. I will definitely create a video around that one. And if you are new to the channel, then smash the subscribe button and press the notification icon so that you do not miss any update about these important videos. I will see you guys next week with another amazing topic around big data. Till then, just keep exploring data.